Good morning, students. Today's online topic pertains to class 11 subject information practices, and the topic is classification of computers. I repeat, the topic is classification of computers. This topic is presented to you by Ankur Pandita, teacher, BHSS Drugmulla. I repeat, today's topic is classification of computers. Now look, classification are based on different criteria. As we look in our criteria, we can classify computers into different types. Computers can be a general purpose computers or specific computers. As you have PCs in our home which can perform general functions, so they are general purpose computers. We also have specific purpose computers which can perform specific functions. So computers are classified on the basis of different criteria. Since we have two criteria here, the first criteria is classification based on technology, and the second classification is classification based on speed and capacity. First we look at classification based on technology. On the basis of technology, there are three types of computers. First is analog computers, second is digital computer, and third is hybrid computers. I repeat, on the basis of technology, there are three types of computers: analog computers, digital computers, hybrid computers. On the basis of speed and capacity, there are four types of computers: microcomputers, mini computers, mainframe computers, supercomputers. I again repeat, on the basis of speed and capacity, there are four types of computers: microcomputers, mini computers, mainframe computers, supercomputers. We will start first with the classification based on technology. On the basis of technology, we have three types of computers: analog, digital, and hybrid. First we will start with analog computers. The computers which provide us continuous information are called analog computers. Now look, analog computers provides us continuous information. These computers do not deal directly with numbers. They have no idea about numbers. They give us complete continuous information. They measure continuous physical magnitudes, for example temperature, pressure, and voltage. These are some parameters that then they can measure. They are mostly used for scientific and engineering purposes. For example, speedometer, thermometers, these are small analog computers, examples of small analog computers. So analog computers don't deal directly with numbers. They provide us continuous information. Now second is digital computers. The computers which present physical quantity with the help of symbols or numbers and provides us discrete information are called digital computers. So digital computers are those computers which present physical quantities with the help of symbols or numbers. They deal with symbols or numbers and provides us discrete information. Such computers process data including text, sound, graphics, audio, and video into a digital value. They can convert files like text files, sound files, graphics files, audio files into digital files, into digital values. For example, digital petrol stations and computers are the example of digital computers. Digital petrol stations where petrol is filled up digitally using digital meters, and our computers which are general purpose computer in our home PCs, these are digital computers. Now look the difference between analog digital. Analog does not gives us continuous information. Digital does not gives us continuous information. Analog does not deal directly with numbers. Digital deal with directly with numbers. So the third type on the basis of technology are hybrid computers. Hybrid computers are computers with combined feature of both digital and analog type. So hybrid computers, those type computers which have features of both, first analog as well as digital type. A hybrid computer has the speed and the accuracy of digital computers. Hybrid computer has the speed of analog computers. Hybrid computers possess speed of analog and accuracy of digital. Look, analog computers are basically used for their speed. They have a great speed, whereas digital computers are used for their accuracy. Now, hybrid computers have features of both computers, analog and digital. They have the features of the speed of analog computers as well as accuracy of digital computers. This type of computer operates by counting as well as measuring. Hybrid computer does both the functions. They can count as well as can measure. Example, in ICUs of a hospital, hybrid computers are used. Look, ventilators are used to study vital parameters of patients and also give continuous oxygen state. These are digital computers. They can do both. They can count as well as measure simultaneously. Now, the second important aspect of our today's lecture is the classification based on speed and capacity. It is another criteria. Classification based on speed and capacity. On the basis of speed and capacity, we have four types of computers: microcomputers, mini computers, mainframe computers, and supercomputers. Now look, this previous classification was based on technology. What technology they are using? This classification is based on speed as well as capacity. What is their speed? What is the capacity of their handling data? So first is microcomputer. A microcomputer is a small, low-cost digital computer which consists of a microprocessor, storage unit, and a input-output assembled into a complete system. They are also known as personal computers. Look, microcomputers, low-cost digital computers, have microprocessor, storage unit, as well as input-output unit. They are also known as personal computers, PCs, which we use for home. They are only suitable made for individual users. This is the most important feature. They are only designed for individual users, to be used by individual users. IBM PCs, Pentium series, and dual core are some examples of microcomputers. Now look at the second type of, based on their size and capacity, is the mini computers. A mini computer is designed to meet the computing needs of several people simultaneously. It can meet the computing needs of several people simultaneously. It is capable of supporting 4 to about 100 simultaneous users. The main difference between microcomputer and mini computers: micro is designed to be used by only individual users, whereas mini computers is capable of supporting about 4 to about 100 simultaneous users. Some of widely used mini computers are IBM 8000 series and VEX series of mini computers. They are mostly used in colleges, universities, and in some industries. That is, the main feature of mini computers are they are capable of supporting 4 to about 100 simultaneous users. And the third important type of computers based on speed and capacity are mainframe computers. A mainframe computer is an ultra high performance computer with large speed and storage capacity. I repeat, a mainframe computer is an ultra high performance computer with large speed and storage capacity. Look, they are high performance computers with large speed and storage capacity. It is a multi-user system supporting more than 100 simultaneous users. Mainframe computers are multi-users. They can be used by multiple persons simultaneously, more than about 100 simultaneous users. It allows its users to maintain large storage at a centralized location and is able to access this data from different computers and different locations. Look, I will give you an example of banking sector. They were centralized data at a fixed locations. Look, JK Bank has its servers at Srinagar, at Gurgaon. These locations maintain database of lakhs of their subscribers, but we can use their services at their branches, at their ATMs. So these transactions are done by mainframe computers. So mainframe computers allows its users to maintain large storage at a centralized location, and we are able to access this data from different computers at different locations. Look, the centralized location is where their servers are. In the example of JK Bank, they have the servers at Srinagar or mostly Gurgaon, but we can use them at simultaneous locations at their branches, and at the ATMs we can do transactions. Examples of mainframe computers are VEX 8000 series. Now, lost in the category of these types of computers are supercomputers. Supercomputers are special purpose machines which are specially designed to maximize the floating point operations per second. They are massive computers. They contains number of CPUs that operate in parallel to make it faster. It is used to solve extremely large problems. They are also used in weather forecasting in defense. Param, Cray Third, and PACE are some Indian supercomputers. Supercomputers have a large processing speed. They can do calculations at a fractions of massive calculations at a fractions of second. They are used for highly complex engineering problems, weather forecasting, and defense. So students, today we have discussed the topic of classification of computers. Classification based on different criteria. First criteria we discussed was the classification based on technology. First we studied the classification based on technology. There are three types of computers based on technology. That was analog computers, digital computers, and hybrid computers. And there are four types of computers when the classification is based on speed and capacity. Students, that is it for today. I request you to revise these topics. We will come up with another online as well as offline videos. So students, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.